we go. The patchwork tank project I've been working on for a while. Let's see, do I have anything for scale? Here's scale. Here's a hard drive. That gives you any scale. It's a traditional 3.5-inch hard drive. For scale, probably shaking the heck out of the camera. Sorry about that. Here's the 7th revision of the transmissions. Blah blah blah. Some simple RC that'll be replaced with Arduino, and there's my camera mount. I don't want to be famous quite yet, so we're going to put this over here. And I don't know how revealing of my house this is going to be. Sorry for the mess. Sorry, not sorry. There we go. Excellent. So here we are. Doesn't work so hot. Here we are. Old hard drive, no match for radio control tank. Okay, thanks guys. Bye.